Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your notes hidden or private on your Xiaomi phone. So you can see I can just enter in a bunch of text. So maybe you have a bunch of like passwords or something stored in this note app on your Xiaomi phone, and you just want to access it and just review your passwords if you forget it. Well, it's very easy to hide these, and you can lock it with a password. So to lock it with a password, let's go to the top, go to settings, go to fingerprint, face data, screen lock. Then look for privacy protection password right here and just enter in a PIN. And this could be a separate PIN than the one you have set, so just make sure you remember it. Turn it on the top. And then we can go to notes right here. We can also do this for photos, files, and notes. And then we can go to the notes app and it'll open this up. Now to send them to a private area, hold down on it and go to hide. It says pull down to see the notes now. Now this is going to lock it now with this password. So we have to enter in the password to access these hidden notes. So there is my note. And I can create new notes in here as well. So if you got something hidden with like a password or something like that, and you don't want people seeing these, well, you can hide them very easily and people won't know how to access them. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.